Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm cooking today. So just join me in my kitchen and let's see what's cooking. So today is a random day of cooking from leftovers. I have some paneer left which is not enough to make any curry, one bell pepper, some onion, some leftover rice, some leftover chicken in my fridge. So I have decided to go with a tikka platter. Nothing too elaborate, something very fast to cook. So first step is marination using ginger, garlic, red chili, turmeric, of course salt, my shan chicken tikka masala, cooking oil and yogurt. Well, I do make yogurt at home with culture, but this one is thick, so I use it for marination only. Oh, speaking of homemade yogurt, I completely forgot to take out yogurt from Instant Pot. Yes, I do make it in Instant Pot for 3 hours setting from culture that I got it from India. Then I just hold a tissue paper on it, let the extra moisture soak in it, and then all you get is this beautiful consistency medium thick yogurt which I prefer to eat with my meals. So thick yogurt is for marination only. Coming back to marination, this is how I marinated chicken using all the ingredients that I showed you earlier. You know what? My husband, the great, totally forgot to press the record button while I was making this marination. But I hope you got it. Nothing too complicated, just the same ingredients, whatever I showed you earlier. So I'm going to use the same marination for paneer. Cut them in a small cube and just mix it. So keep it aside for minimum 4 hours. Longer you keep, that's better. And change in plans. Well, it was so windy outside, and this is the brush fire and wildfire season in LA, so I decided to go with the baking option. So I'm going to give a try of this hack where they add some water in a tray and then place the barbecue skewers on it so that the moisture stays. Let's see if this hack works. So 400 degrees for almost 30 minutes. But hey, now suddenly the weather is calm and there is no wind. But my chicken is already in kitchen, in oven. So let's see how it turns out. Meanwhile, I have started preparing for Maharashtrian style fried rice. Well, we call it Fodnicha Bhaat. You know what? This is the funniest and weirdest combination ever. Like eating Maharashtrian fried rice with paneer and chicken. All my Marathi friends are going to laugh, but both me and my husband love making such weird combinations. So yeah, just the basic tadka of mustard seeds, then curry leaves, green chili, some onions, and of course you can add lemon juice and some cilantro later. So just take a look at this simple procedure. And while my rice is almost ready, time to multitask. Time to add paneer in oven because it doesn't take much time to bake paneer. So now I'm adding while the chicken is almost baked. I think it smells good and the trick of adding water in a tray has really kept it moist. I hope it tastes good. Now is the time to add vegetables on my iron skillet. We love the flavor of burning the veggies on iron skillet. So just simple like onions and bell peppers with salt and pepper. That's it. So just keep watching. Yeah, basically just burn them little bit for that flavor. Okay, I have to switch off the gas. Coming back to veggies, it's time to add some pepper and salt. I also added paneer from the oven because I want that burning flavor in paneer as well. So just mixing it with all the vegetables and my veggie platter is almost ready. And finally it's time to add the baked chicken on my hot iron skillet just to give that little bit of burning flavor. That's it. I'm definitely not going to overcook it, otherwise all the moisture is going to go away. So yeah, that's it. I think it's ready to serve because I really love Persian food and the way they present their kebab platter. I'm just trying to copy them a little bit. Well, in Indian style. So just adding little bit of tamarind and date sauce. And I'm definitely going to need mint chutney with it. So that's it. My plate is ready. If you like this plate and if you like my video, give me a big thumbs up and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.